Alrighty, pretty cool weekend out there. Nice, I mean, for the most part, but it was a lot of cloud cover. Like today, it was cloudy in a lot of the East Bay, out in Livermore Valley throughout much of the day. Sun's peeking through now. These were the high temperatures achieved, which are well below the average. So these highs should be, that Fairfield number should be 90. 89, 90. Antioch should be 89, 90. So you're well below the average. This is the pattern that we've had. You know all about it. This low, it's going to change. So tomorrow's still going to be kind of like today. But then as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, you'll notice a change in the weather. A warmer pattern comes in. It actually get pretty toasty in some of the inland valleys. Here's the computer model. I don't know if you can pick it out on here, but you'll see right here. See it started by Eureka. See that curvature in the line? See how it's pumping up? That's a ridge. So that's what you're going, okay, and the ridge is centered out in the desert southwest right in here. Here's the ridge. And we hadn't had that, right? We had more of a trough, which was going the other way. So that means warmer, essentially. And that, again, means higher fire danger, concerns, of course, for air quality, stuff like that. So a pretty significant change in terms of what we've been experiencing. But again, what happens, again, fire danger comes back into the radar. There's a deep marine layer. I mean, that's up there, right? That might be 2,500 feet deep if you look at it. So that just tells you that tomorrow morning, the fog is, low clouds are everywhere. You can see the right now temperatures about where they were yesterday at this time. The winds are blowing. LaMonica was mentioning that earlier, too. 33-mile-an-hour gusts out at Fairfield up in the Delta. These are right now winds. See what the airport's doing. That's always kind of interesting. Yeah, almost 30 miles an hour at SFO. So it's breezy, no question about it. And this pattern is helpful for fires, but it's not helpful if you're, kind of want it hot. It's just not happening. So this is right now. There's the fog along the coast. It's kind of broken up a little bit up around Bolinas, but it'll fill in again tonight. And then you can kind of see some fog down around Pigeon Point. This is the forecast model for tomorrow morning. So there's that signature fog footprint. Tomorrow morning, just like this morning, fog is central and South Bay heavy as opposed to the North Bay. Then it breaks off. Tomorrow's high is a little warmer than today, mid-upper 70s. And then Tuesday morning, see there's no fog footprint, less of a fog footprint. That's the high sort of establishing itself, shrinking the inversion, allowing temperatures to begin the warming process. So tomorrow, just a lot like today. I mean, the forecast highs are going to be generally in the 70s, maybe some low 80s in the far edges of our inland bay valleys. And the forecast highs like Antioch 85, 85 in Fairfield, and then 70s around the bay. So a nice day tomorrow, a little bit warmer, and that is essentially the trend, right? So temperatures are going to gradually warm up. You can see here we get into Thursday and Friday. There's some heat. Those inland valleys, is it record heat? No. Is it normal heat? Yes. So it's going to be more of a typical pattern until we get to Friday, which looks like it's going to warm up a little bit more. So that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday next weekend looks like it could be pretty toasty. So again, air quality's good. Fire danger's down, but it's a little chilly out there, and it will be the same tomorrow morning when you get up, tomorrow afternoon, and then Tuesday you'll notice things start to change. I'll be back here tonight at 10 and 11. We'll update it.
Copy that. All right, Bill, thank you.